The crazy expensive and high-maintenance James Webb Telescope has recently made plenty of discoveries. However, we are sure that its terrifying discovery on Pluto will shock you like never before. The mystery around Pluto had been mind-boggling, but James Webb has moved one step closer to the discovery of what the mystery behind Pluto is. Join us as we dive into everything James Webb has discovered on Pluto, and as we tell you whether Pluto might be considered a planet again or not. Yes, you heard that right. The discovery of Pluto began when the James Webb Telescope released a fascinating image of what was once considered the last planet of the solar system. Upon further observation, the telescope found that the planet's atmosphere was disappearing. This strange transformation has concerned and confused scientists. Not only has this, but according to observation, Pluto has been moving further away for the last 25 years. Due to this reason, the surface temperature is becoming increasingly cold. According to sources, Pluto will keep going further and get colder. As of right now, the dwarf planet is around 3.7 kilometers away from the Sun. What remains a mystery is whether it will vanish in thin air or enter another region and get closer to something warmer. As of right now, the temperature at Pluto ranges between -232 and 387 degrees. Moreover, the moon is almost 300 times brighter on Pluto, which, if you think about it, sounds like a very uncomfortable situation for a human to be in. As you might know, Pluto has 5 moons: Kerberos, Charon, Hydra, Nix, and Styx. All of these moons are constantly rotating, and one particular moon, Charon, is almost half the size of a dwarf planet. Most Pluto is formed with frozen nitrogen gas, making it unbearable and dangerous for humans. There are also mountains made up of water ice with harmful gases like methane on top of them. Let's talk more about some other features of the dwarf planet. Have you ever heard of the Tombaugh region? Well, it's the heart-shaped region on the surface of Pluto, which I'm sure many of you might have observed. According to scientists, it has a portion that is completely covered with ice and carbon monoxide. Research suggests that this area particularly is 100 million years old. The reason for the ice cream portion could be the destructive winds the dwarf planet once faced, or does this mystery yet to be solved? Finally, let's come to whether Pluto is a planet or not a planet. Pluto was considered to be part of our solar system, however, ever since the global standards for planets change, Pluto no longer adhered to them and was recognized as a non-planet. The new standards set were that planets must orbit the Sun and have enough mass to be able to reach hydrostatic equilibrium. The recent photos found the JWST showed abnormal ice volcanoes like never before at Pluto. The appearances of these ice volcanoes are different, new, and mysterious to scientists. Nothing like this has ever been discovered before until now, thanks to the new generation telescope. According to further information from the James Webb Telescope, we were able to find that Pluto rotates counter to other planets in the solar system. Alright folks, this brings us to the end of today's video. Today's question is whether you think life can be formed on Pluto or not. We think due to the freezing temperature, it will be almost impossible for life to ever exist here. Even the pressure at Pluto is 1 million times that of Earth. However, this does not mean that we will not be able to find life on the planet. Let us know what you think. As of now, we know very little about the dwarf planet, but don't worry. NASA's New Horizon mission is working on uncovering all the mysteries behind Pluto. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated when we post more about NASA's and JWST's discovery on Pluto. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and press the notification bell so YouTube can notify you every time we drop a new video. Until then, see you soon and goodbye.